Hello, my loves. Today we're gonna make Cheong. Cheong is Korean name for syrup, not a jam. You can use it for tea, any refreshments, or even cocktail. Please subscribe and like, and check out my YouTube channel for more video. We're gonna start with baking soda and some salt. Dissolve them into the water. We're gonna use that to wash lemon and mandarin. Make sure you scrub not too hard, but just good enough to wash the surface of those fruits. And we're gonna peel some ginger, slice them up. I love to put ginger into my chong, especially during the winter, like make some tea out of it. Ginger warms you up, and it adds flavors in it as well. Or sugar. Usually we are putting 1:1 ratio, but if you don't like it too sweet, but like a little bit weaker, you can put less. Ginger, I love ginger, as you can see. I put about 1/10 of the weight of the fruit itself. Just make sure mix it well. You don't have to go too far on it. You can use any kind of fruit, even strawberry, mm, kiwis, I guess. Time to time, flip it over so sugar can go down until it get cleared. It takes about 3, even 1 week. After that, you can use it for anything you want. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget about subscribe and like. I'll see you next time.